Welcome back to Aestheticness channel. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a quiet morning in the countryside. That, my friends, is the magic of spring in a country cottage. A place where time slows down, where every detail whispers comfort, and where nature and home exist in perfect harmony. The air is sweet with the scent of blooming flowers. The sun spills golden light through lace curtains, and every corner of your home feels like a soft embrace. Whether you live in a quaint rural retreat or a bustling city apartment, there's something undeniably enchanting about the cottagecore aesthetic, especially in spring. It's a style that celebrates simplicity, nostalgia, and the beauty of imperfection. Think time-worn wood, billowing linens, heirloom china, and vases overflowing with just-picked wildflowers. In this video, we're diving deep into spring country cottage styling. How to capture that effortless charm, how to blend vintage finds with modern comfort, and how to make your space feel like a sanctuary that blooms with the season. From soft pastel palettes to heirloom textiles, from garden-fresh florals to time-worn treasures, we'll explore every little detail that makes a cottage feel like home. So, put the kettle on, grab your notebook, and let's step into a world where every day feels like a springtime fairy tale. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to the nearest flea market, flower stand, or fabric store to start creating your own country cottage dream. Segment 1. Embrace soft, pastel colors. The foundation of any country cottage aesthetic is a soft, dreamy color palette. Think powder blues, blush pinks, buttery yellows, and creamy whites. These hues mimic the gentle tones of spring blossoms and create an airy, inviting atmosphere. Paint your walls in muted tones like duck egg blue or antique white, and layer in delicate fabrics, linen curtains, floral upholstery, and knitted throws. The key is to keep things light and fresh, just like a spring morning. Segment 2. Bring the outdoors in. Nothing says country cottage like an abundance of fresh flowers, greenery, and natural textures. Fill your home with wildflower bouquets, potted herbs, and trailing ivy to create that effortless, garden-fresh look. Try arranging daffodils in a mason jar, hanging eucalyptus in the bathroom, or placing a bundle of lavender by your bedside. Even small touches like woven baskets, dried flowers, or a bowl of lemons can add that organic, lived-in charm. Segment 3. Vintage and handmade touches. Country cottage style is all about imperfections and nostalgia. Scour flea markets for distressed wooden furniture, mismatched china, and antique mirrors. Each piece tells a story. Incorporate handmade elements like crochet doilies, embroidered cushions, or a patchwork quilt. These details add warmth and personality, making your home feel truly unique. Segment 4. Create a cozy, lived-in feel. A country cottage should feel lived in and welcoming. Avoid anything too polished. Opt for slightly worn wood, chipped paint, and well-loved textiles instead. Layer textures with braided rugs, chunky knit blankets, and linen tablecloths. Add flickering candlelight or a crackling fireplace, even a faux one, to enhance that snug hygge vibe. Segment 5. Romantic bedroom retreat. Your bedroom should be a dreamy sanctuary. Choose a soft floral duvet cover, add ruffled pillowcases, and drape a sheer canopy over the bed for a touch of romance. A vintage-style vanity with a lace runner, a delicate jewelry dish, and a scented sachet in the drawer will complete the look. And don't forget, freshly laundered linen spray in lavender or rose adds the perfect finishing touch. And just like that, we've reached the end of our springtime cottage journey. But here's the beautiful thing about this style. It's not about perfection. It's about the moments, the way morning light pools on your grandmother's quilt, the sound of rain tapping against aged window panes, the joy of arranging daffodils in that chipped pitcher you couldn't resist at the flea market. Whether you've lived in the countryside for years or are just now bringing cottage charm to your city apartment, remember, this aesthetic grows richer with time. Let your collections evolve naturally. Let your walls fade gently. Let your shelves tell the story of you through dog-eared novels, handwritten recipes, and those little treasures you've carried home from travels. Until next time, may your home be filled with sunlight, your shelves with stories, and your teacup with something lovely. Happy decorating, kindred spirits. And remember, the coziest homes aren't made overnight. They're grown like gardens.